Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to clean a Frigidaire Gallery ice maker with vinegar water, safe ratios. Step 1. Prepare and drain. You just have to unplug the ice maker from the wall. Empty all the remaining ice cubes from the machine. Plug the drain plug or tubes to empty the reservoir. Wash the removable basket and scoop with a dish soap. Step 2. Deep clean. Mix equal parts white vinegar and warm water. Pour the mixture up to a max full line. Plug the unit back into the electrical outlet. You just have to hold the clean button for 5 seconds to start the cleaning process. Wait for 15 minutes automated cycle to finish. Step 3. Fuse and finish. You just have to drain the dirty vinegar mixture from the machine. Then refill the reservoir with a clean and fresh water. You just have to run a clean cycle only with the water and repeat the water fuse 2 more times to eliminate odor. Discard the first batch of new ice cubes produced. Thanks for watching.